Hello guys, how are you doing? In this video I'm gonna show you how to order from Amazon for the first time. Let's get started. First of all, you have to create an account, and once you're logged in, go to the item that you wanna order. Let's say for example this one. If this is the only item that you wanna order, click directly on buy now. But if there are other products, click on add to cart, and then the other item that you want to order, for example this one, add to cart again. Once you choose the items that you want to buy, go here, go to cart. I already have other items. I just say for example only these two. You're gonna remove this one. I'm gonna click here, so only these two are gonna be counted. Then click on here. In this button you have to fill in all your infos, your number, your address, everything that you're gonna need to receive your order. And in here the payment method, and here it's just about shipping. And once you finish, click on deliver to this address, and that is how you finish your process to order from Amazon. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. I will make sure to reply to all of them. If you think this video was helpful, subscribe and like. Thank you so much. See you next video.